In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Intrepid Potash Inc., ticker IPI. Intrepid Potash is a U.S. producer of potash used in fertilizers and industrial processes, listed on NASDAQ. This is an educational demonstration, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After signing up, you will normally need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document. You will also need to add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker IPI to find the correct listing. Confirm you select Intrepid Potash Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it's the right stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information, a price chart, and recent market data. Take a moment to confirm the company name, ticker IPI, and the exchange before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and select order options if needed. Review the order details carefully and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit order depending on your choice. If you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase is finalized. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio with the details of the purchase. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description for the platform demonstrated.